Good morning, you all. Today we are going to know about a technique which is used to separate the constituents of mixtures present in a solution in a small amount. This is a technique called chromatography. There are many ways of chromatography. Out of those, paper chromatography is a simple technique used to separate the constituents present in a small amount in a mixture. Chromatography may be defined as the technique used to separate the constituents present in the mixture in very small amount by using a filter paper and the difference in the solubility of the constituents. I mean to say that when a mixture contains a number of constituents dissolved in it, then their solubility are different. Solids have different solubilities. It means different amounts of solid can be dissolved in a liquid at a given temperature, and rate of dissolution in a liquid of a solid are not same. Some solids are very fast in dissolving, some are slow. So here we use this technique to separate them by using their solubility. For the purpose, we take a rectangular strip of filter paper about 3 cm from one end of the paper. We draw a line and put one drop of the mixture here. We are going to separate the constituents of black ink. We put a drop of black ink on this line and allow to dry. When the ink dried up, then we arrange the filter paper, strip of paper in a glass jar containing a small amount of water at its bottom in such a way that the lower end of the paper will be dipped in water. After arranging the chromatographic paper, that is here filter paper, strip of filtered paper, water starts rising in the filtered paper by the process capillary action, due to capillary action. When water reaches to this drop of ink, the colored constituent of black ink, which is soluble, highly soluble in water, gets dissolved and rises up fastly to a higher position, and after that the colored constituents, which are slow, having less solubility in water, also gets dissolved and rises up to the lower positions in the filter paper. When the water reaches to the top of the filter paper, strip of filter paper, then we remove the strip of filter paper from the glass jar and dry it. Lastly, we get the different colored constituents of black ink on the printed paper as colored points. Now we cut the printed paper into pieces with the different constituents and separate them. This technique is very useful for us. This technique is used in forensic labs to identify the presence of chemicals in the human body for investigations, and there are a number of uses you can see it and use for further tests. It is very useful for competitive examinations also. So my dear students, you must have to remember and understand this technique. This is a simple technique which can be done by using a strip of filtered paper easily. Okay, thank you.